That's pretty much what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Oh man, dude, this is gonna sound so mint.
Tomei exhaust.
Yep.
370Z. Single exhaust conversion from a twin exhaust.
Yep.
This is gonna sound
Fucking loud.
If your neighbor's watching this, I'm so sorry. When he leaves in the morning for work, I'm sorry.
Comes back at night in my case.
Oh yeah, no, you work late nights.
Yeah.
Yeah, screwed.
Chest pipes?
Man. Oh, did you get the test pipes as well?
Should we get zip tied?
Oh god.
So if you guys haven't gathered, guys, we're going to be installing the exhaust today onto the 370, which he just said, but I'm just saying it again as like intro. But me doing it.
So as you can see, I've converted my shitty Ford Telstar into a shitty Mazda wagon. Now it's a Capella Cargo. You know, see? Look, it's a 1.8 litre now. It's instead of a 2 litre 8 valve. Oh wait. Instead of a 2 litre 12 valve, it's now a 1.8 litre 16 valve.
Did you put that?
That wasn't me, that was the partner, yeah. That was the missus. And now we've got the Osaka Mazda badge on there.
See, it's not a Ford anymore, it's a Mazda.
I mean,
this is how you do conversions of brands.
The only two whole entire boot sections that you could find in Auckland that I could find on a Saturday, they happen to be maroon. Because silver and maroon just happen to be the oldest man colors in the world for cars. I mean,
look, silver. This is just a nice silver. It's like they got a V8 in their fucking house, but they don't.
I drove my mate's VP, first gen VP Commodore the other night.
Ooh.
SS.
I'm trying to get fucking one of our mates to come and bring his
That was fun,
his
man.
SS.
That was fast. We're on the motorway. It's an auto, but it's got a shift kit in it, so it shifts faster or like a manual. But honestly, we're driving on the motorway, I'm going 100k, and he's like, oh, stop being a nana, put your foot down. And I was like, what? Like, alright, 5 litre V8, all fully cast iron. So I plant my foot and it's just it fucking spews, and I'm sitting there like, holy moly, we're going, what, 190 on the motorway and it's still pulling.
Dude, this, honestly, I'm not even fucking shitting you.
This car's from 1990 something. That's a 2009.
Wow,
You'd expect a sports car from 2009 to keep pulling at 190. You'd expect to keep pulling 220.
Dude, honestly, like, this thing,
V8, and
this fucking thing, it's that you put the foot down and like 100, and then like, what the fuck is that?
I don't even know that before, so.
That's a weird sound. I love the sound of this thing.
She's nimble.
Oh, Garrett's loving this.
It's light in the steering as well.
Really? I find it heavy.
Like it feels heavy, but you can twitch the steering wheel and get it actually moving. Whereas like, you know, with the Commodores and stuff, even like something like the VP, which is independent rear suspension, and for the time it was like, you know, really intuitive. It feels light in the steering, but it's heavy in the feedback.
Yeah, so you have to actually turn it.
You actually have to turn it to get it to move. Whereas this, it feels heavy in the feedback, but like it feels heavy to turn, but it moves.
Everyone behind us is gonna be like, what the fuck are these guys doing? They can't really see us, but they're gonna be like, hey!
Have you ever done this in traffic and then just had some random person in front of you do the same thing? Oh man, I used to do it all the time. I had my Prelude, my Honda Prelude, the old 2.2 VTEC. That was awesome. And I'd be just like front wheel driving it, matte black. It looked like a drug dealer's car. I mean, honestly, it was a drug dealer's car.
Yeah, probably would.
And no, you just be sitting there weaving in your lane, and you just have all these people in front of you and behind you, these dodgy cars just like weaving from behind you. You're like, like fucking doing weave and shit, and their cars. It was awesome.
Hopefully,
Let's do that.
not do a lot of that. Next minute, this is fucking blue sports car just going sideways.
Yeah.
Oh, you would get something fucking cool. Oh, it's going sideways. You know, you could just go on the tattoo. Oh, but there's a car coming up.
Oh, they're going to Wendy's.
So we're just setting up the exhaust to lay it all out. You know, it's gonna sound sick. Come on, this thing is huge, honestly. Like, look at it, Tomei.
Someone in the Chinese factory's got really long hair.
Real? Sure, that's not my hair.
Oh, probably yours. So for anyone watching, it's my impact gun, battery powered, but I don't have any impact sockets. Because I'm cheap and poor and broke.
Well, I have no idea where I'm gonna put this.
I banged up my wrist at work today. Dropped a freaking diff on it.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Yeah, no, not really. Oh, don't drop on my face, don't drop on my face. Yes, didn't drop on my face. Okay. Right. You know it's a good day when you're doing an exhaust and it doesn't drop on your head.
Let's get this bad boy in. Alright, so just putting the final touches on. Just tightening the exhaust all the way up. Probably can't see it for shit, but gonna turn it on very soon. It's gonna be great. So we're gonna be turning it on right now. So let's see how loud it is.
Where's the torch, man? I can't even see anything. Test pipes. I'm not even joking.
I want to hear this. I do want to hear this from the outside. It's just gliding up the hill.
I'll take it for a quick up the hill and back.
Bro, they sound better in the car than it would be coming past.
That sounds fucking awesome in the car.
This is fucking crazy. Alright, you wanting to go for a cruise in it?
Absolutely, yeah.
You want to take it up?
Fuck yeah. Are you gonna...
Yeah, I'll stand on the road or whatever. Ten out of 10?
Oh, was it? Yeah,
12 out of 10.
Yeah.
12 out of 10, that's what it is. It's fucking superb.
But seriously, like, that thing is on another level when it comes
Damn,
to the
that's
power
not a shot.
from the
Ooh.
350. And I've driven both of them today. Like, that's got power. That's nice.
She got power. She ain't slow. But she
that's a
fucking
beast.
yes.
In the the paddles, man, it's like a race car. It's like you're almost on a track day at Hampton.
Dude, it's fun. We're going to Hampton to see TJ
Right now?
on Friday, and Mad Mike. He's coming,
That's gonna be a mission.
guys. He's
That's
coming.
gonna be awesome.
He ain't been a little bitch. He's fucking coming. Be in my place like $1 bro.
Yeah. I'll be there, bro. Don't you worry about that.
Alright guys, so last night the camera kind of died on me, so I wasn't able to outro the video. I love this thing. This thing's crazy loud and fucking sounds amazing. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Peace.